keto related though.
I wanna catch the wave.
Good afternoon, guys. Tomorrow's the first day of October, which means Ketober, and I'm gonna try to do it. Oh my gosh, this dentist. Hello? Yes. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much. All right, bye-bye. Y'all like how I was aggravated and putting on my aggravated voice? And then I answer the phone and I'm all like, hello? With my customer service voice. Oh, what I was gonna say though is I kind of stupidly too, I think, scheduled dental appointments for both of the kids for 8 a.m. in the freaking morning at a dental office that, although it isn't that far away, the traffic to get there is just gonna be nuts. The kids are both gonna probably be in a bad mood because they do not like getting up that early and getting up and going. And generally, when they have to, it's for a doctor's appointment, and their dad will just take them super quick, like bright and early in the morning. He'll just take whichever one has an appointment, and then I will stay home with the other, and no big deal, easy peasy. But this will involve me solo taking both of them to the dentist for first appointments with this dentist and you know, exams and all of that, and I really don't know what I've gotten myself into. But the point is that they have been calling all freaking weekend. They're sending me the text verifications, and it's like, text yes to confirm, or text stop to freaking stop this, or cancel, or whatever. I keep texting back yes. I do lowercase, I do all uppercase. Like, I never get a confirmation back that they got it. And so I'm just, let's do this one more round. It's still a little, it is French toast, but it's still a little cold. This kid wants French toast like all the time. And no, it's not homemade, nutritional, good for you stuff that I would make for her. It's microwave. I can't even focus on talking and doing the microwave at the same time. So anyway, I made these appointments, and now they keep texting and then calling. So also 3 phone calls, and from different numbers and different, and I'm beyond frustrated because I keep trying to confirm. So I've like called, I've done whatever. So finally this morning I call and I leave a voicemail with the scheduling person, and I'm like, hey, I think your verification system is broken because like y'all keep calling, and I'm gonna tell you what, every phone call and text message was like getting me this much closer to like canceling the appointments altogether, because no part of me wants to take these kids to these appointments by myself. And my husband has appointments scheduled that morning, and he's in town, but he's not gonna be able to take me. Ooh, look at these bags. Brexley kept me up last night. Speaking of teething, I mean, I gave her everything and did everything, and there was no appeasing her. So that's what we're working with today. Anyway, I just rambled on. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this or just slap it together, because for Ketober, which I've never done before, I mean, well, let's be real, I started my channel almost a year ago. I'm not quite to a year of when I started posting videos, I don't think. I need to check and see when that anniversary is. And then there was like a sporadic, you know, kind of posting there for a while when my mom was sick, and then when my mom died. So I've really just in the last like month and a half maybe gotten back to posting steadily, and I've really been sticking to like once a week and doing the keto meals on Sundays, which I obviously film throughout the week. So you'll probably see a lot of that for Ketober, and updates on weight loss. Like, I'm so close to hitting my ideal weight, and at that point I would just hit maintenance. But let's be real, I'm like close enough that, I mean, y'all see what I cook on Sundays. Those are not like, I mean, if you were eating like one meal a day and like fasting all day, those are perfect and comforting and delicious meals. But if you're eating all day, like those meals are not gonna necessarily get you where you wanna go if you're like eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner and you're eating such high calories, even though like the carbs are so low in them. Woohoo!
Okay.
So I'm thinking about doing a fast to get myself, you know, where I wanna go. Like in the past, I would just do a 3-day, look! I know it's in there. You've got cheese crackers on your teeth. So I usually, when I fast, I do a fat fast. You know I'm gonna have to cut this up and then put it into the freezer for a second because I take it out the freezer and then I have to put it back in the freezer because it gets so freaking hot. There's just like no perfect middle ground here. Hot, it's very hot. So in the past I would do a 3-day fast to kickstart. That's what I did last time when I hit like a plateau. I think my plateau was like, I don't know, like 150-ish forever. I feel like I was stuck at. When I weighed myself this morning, I'm 136 points, whatever, this morning. And ideally, I would like to get down to 127 again. That is the weight that I feel my most healthy at. But now that's my weight I feel the most healthy at when I am fully like toned up muscle, like lifting weights, you know. So I was doing really well doing weight bearing exercises. I was working out every single day faithfully, like would not go to sleep without working out. Even if it was like 1 in the morning, I realized I hadn't done my workout yet. I would get up and do the damn thing. So, when the hurricane came, of course that put me totally off schedule, and the last thing I wanted to do in the South with no electricity was to get up and start sweating. So, and the reason I had faithfully made myself do it every night, even if it was like 1 in the morning and I hadn't done it yet, was I knew as soon as I fell off that train that it's just a slippery slope for me at that point. Like I have to stick to what I'm doing. So like I never stray from keto. That's not an issue for me at all, because when I started keto, it was to treat and prevent the escalation of type 2 diabetes, where I had just gotten gestational diabetes with 2 of my, I've been pregnant 3 times, lost the first baby. So second and third pregnancy, I developed gestational diabetes, and I developed it extremely early in pregnancy, like within a matter of weeks. With my pregnancy with Blair, they tested me at 10 weeks. Yeah, I took the test at 10 weeks and failed it, and had already developed gestational diabetes with her that early. And I had only gained, I mean I had gained, because as soon as I found out I was pregnant, I'm like, nah, 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 nah. And I had gained, I think I was 145-ish, maybe at that point, because previously I had been right around 130, but we got pregnant for the first time and I gained some weight during that pregnancy, and then we lost that baby, and I never took that little bit of weight that I'd gained off, and then just being depressed and everything else, I'm sure I was living off of fast food and beer and like just totally unhealthy, like junk food, just carb city. So once that happened, I never was small again. So anyway, any of you that have watched this far, because I'm probably just gonna slap this up like it is, I'm filming it today instead of tomorrow so I can get an early start. I'm not gonna hold myself accountable to stick to Ketober, but I'm gonna try. But let's see if anybody even cares to see me come on here and ramble about what I weigh in the morning and what I'm doing for the day. I mean, That's kind of boring, right? I don't know, like, so anyway, I am getting ready to, oh, is it ready? Okay, let me get it. I am getting ready to, I know you all see my meals on Sundays when I usually cover 4 keto what's for dinner meals that are, most of them I would say are kid friendly, or you can adapt them to be kid friendly. And so I cover those, and a lot of you might be like, well, if you're keto, how are you keto and you're not meal prepping? Well, I do meal prep. What I do is, my husband just came in from Costco, speaking of that, you can just sit that down on this there. So I do meal prep in a way. I will cook at least 2 of the meals that I show you guys on Sundays. I cook those at the beginning of the week. I will usually cook 2 of those meals in the same day, okay? To fuel me to get to the point to cook the rest of the freaking meals. So, and to make sure that I always have food in the fridge ready to go. And obviously I show you guys 4 meals, and then, you know, we eat leftovers for like the second half of the week, but we supplement too. So anyway, my husband just came in. Let's show you a couple of the things that he described from Costco real quick. So we have a big, huge thing of ground beef. I keep so much of this in the freezer. We never run out of that. And then he got a big thing of pork shoulder country style ribs, boneless, $2.79 a pound. A lot of people are like, oh, it's not that much cheaper at Costco per pound than my grocery store. And while that may be true sometimes, I bet you the quality is not as good for the price. You hear my dog? She's just going. One of my dogs. Okay, beef 1 York strip steak. I'm gonna take a couple of these and slice them up to make some steak quesadillas. I don't know if I'll do that this week or next week, but I asked my husband if he had any requests, and that was definitely one of the things that he would like. Let me show you guys real quick too. I filmed a little clip. I was gonna show it on Instagram yesterday, but Walmart's clearance aisle. I swear their clearance prices and their clearance aisle used to just be whatever, but the end of summer I found like a really great, almost $300 swing that we got for like $78. Maybe we got it for $50 to $70 for our outside area. And yesterday I got all of these bikinis, bathing suits, for $3 each for separates, $5 for the 1-piece. I just tried the 1-piece on today. I'm absolutely in love with it. I wish I had it in multiple colors. It's very, very flattering. And anyway, keto related though, on their actual clearance aisle, which that's where I'm telling you, they'll be like, oh, this is on clearance. Then you look at the tag and it's like, oh, we shaved 7 cents off of this, because we're gonna put it on this aisle to make you buy it and think it's on sale. So these were half price of their normal price. They're normally $1.50. They had them for 75 cents, and they are these little dressing bottles with flip tops, okay? BPA free. There's 3 in a pack, 75 cents. I got this pack, and I was like, Suzanne, you don't need 2, just get 1. No, went ahead and got the second pack, because this one will be for my husband, because I really don't want to share containers with him, because no telling how long mustard will sit in one of these. So I got my own pack, so when I go anywhere that I'm gonna drink coffee or whatever else that I need to take like a keto, I could take a keto ketchup with me if I were going out to eat and I really wanted ketchup, because we know that that's full of sugar. So boom, keto ketchup in the purse. Boom, heavy whipping cream in the purse. Boom, got my Chorani sugar-free syrup. I need to get on trying those skinny syrups everybody's trying, in the purse. So anyway, check your Walmart clearance aisle. 75 cents, well worth it. Put your little keto products to go. Stay on track. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
When you're closing in, you know you're done. Thought you knew all the